Some of y'all been playing with God all week, but He still woke you up this morning. So if you know He's been good, go on and open your mouth. Let the church say amen. Woke up this morning with breath in my chest. Devil tried to knock me down, but I'm still blessed. Storm's been heavy, but I'm still standing strong. Favor on my life, baby, I can't go wrong. Every mountain I climb,
God pull me through.
and if He did it for me,
He'll do it for you.
you can't tell me nothing. I done seen His hand. Somebody shout amen right where you stand.
Let the church say amen.
He turned it all around again.
Let the church say amen.
I'm standing here 'cause He stepped in when the devil